G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today I've got the 2 meter level. I'm going to unwrap it and I'm going to test it. One of the first things I do with any level is always test it. And if you're not sure how to test it, I am going to show you. Here we go, all off. So what we do is we mark 2 marks, brand spanker. What we do is we mark 2 marks on the same side of the level, top and bottom. Making sure that the level is level. Then what we do is we spin it around, and then we test it. And if these go on the same lines and show as being level, which is dead eye, then we know it's smack on. We can also do the same thing when we go this way for horizontal. An easier way to do this if you've got a 2 meter level is to actually have a nail or a screw just here and it sits on that, and then I can just mark the other end, flip it around and see if it sits on the same place again. I have bought a level before from the shop and it has been 5 millimeters out of plumb straight away. So always check your plumb, always check your level. Plumb is vertical, level is horizontal. Thanks for watching everyone, and like always, stay unreal banana peel and I'll see you in the suit.